ini adoyo. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto osingo ni rowere maromo 20,000 biro yudo thuolo mag tiegruok e kembe piny owacho mopogore opogore pacho ka. Kane oloso e sa mar nyasi mar yango chenro mar tiegruok mar Public Service Internship Program, jatend piny ne owacho ni rowere maromo 3,900 ne oyudo thuolo makamano higani ka okwayo kembe mag ji giwegi ne osir piny owacho lwedo neno ni rowere motieko somo oyudo thuolo mag tiegruok. Omedo ni kochakore higa manyien gibiro kawo rowere 20,000 e tiegruok kokalo e chenro ni.
This program under the Public Service Internship. We now have the report on the status.
To merit the high-level expectation of Kenyans, it is my humble request, Your Excellency, that your government scales up the training kitty, not only of the programs domiciled at the Public Service Commission, but also in the entire government. My humble take is that the mandazis and samosas we continuously gobble in government offices can be substituted kidogo tu with some funds for the training kitty.
We will continue to explore ways of enhancing the impact of such initiatives going forward. As a way of increasing youth presentation in public service relative to their population, the Ministry of Public Service will continue working with the Public Service Commission to review policies and practices for diverse and inclusion, human resource development, and succession management.
We need to get together. We need to develop our capacities. We need to create jobs. We need to make sure that Kenyans have pesa mufukoni.
Private sector companies, industry can work with us on this internship program, and we are going to provide tax incentives for industries and private sector companies that will partner with us to afford an internship opportunity for the many young people graduating from our institution of higher learning, so that we can not only provide a transition for them, but we can also give them an opportunity to practice what they have learned in class, and for them to have a feel of what working in these offices looks like.
Jodolo ma Kisumu